Chapter 4 Introduction to Microsoft Word 2016. Microsoft Word is an application software. It is used for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. Some of the uses of MS Word are as follows. It is used for producing notices, letters, reports, books, bills, etc. quickly in a presentable manner. It helps in modifying the text both while typing and after typing the text. It helps in beautifying the text by using different color and style. It is used for changing the font size, border, shading, and various other effects. It is used for inserting graphics and making use of drawing tools for drawing pictures. It helps in copying and moving the text from one place to another. It is used for sharing the documents on the internet and inviting people to view and edit documents which can be shared. Starting Microsoft Word 2016. To start Microsoft Word, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Select All Apps. Step 3. Choose Microsoft Word 2016 or Word. The start screen of Word 2016 appears. It is known as the Backstage view. It is the central location of managing Word documents. In Backstage view, we can create new, save, open, print, share documents, and so on. For creating a new document, click on the blank document thumbnail. A new blank document with temporary name Document 1 opens up. Small blinking line which you see on the screen is called the insertion point or cursor. It shows the position where next typed characters will appear. The cursor automatically starts shifting to right as we begin to type. We can enter the text on the same screen or we can create a new document. Parts of the Microsoft Word window. Before you begin working in Microsoft Word 2016, you need to familiarize yourself with its user interface UI. Let us study its components. Title bar. It shows the document title. Quick access toolbar. It shows the commonly used commands like save, undo, redo, etc. Tabs. Major commands are grouped into buttons called tabs, such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, etc. Ribbon. It is located just below the title bar. In Ribbon, the commands are organized in logical groups which are collected under tabs. Each tab has its own separate ribbon. Document page. It is the blank area where text can be typed. Status bar. It is present at the bottom of the window. The status bar gives you information about the current document. Creating a new document. The given steps should be followed for creating a new document. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Choose the New option. Step 3. Select the Blank Document option. Step 4. A new blank document will open. Start typing your text in it. Word wraps the text automatically while we type in the Word document. Wrapping of the text means that if the text does not fit in the current line, then it shifts to the next line automatically. Saving a document. For saving a document, the given steps should be followed. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Choose the Save option. Step 3. Enter the name of the file which you want to give in the File Name box. Step 4. Click on the Save button. Closing a document. For closing a document, the given steps should be followed. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Select the Close option. Printing a document. For printing a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. From Print Backstage view, you can choose the options given. Step 3. Select the Print button at the top. Selecting and editing the text. After you have typed the text in the document, you want to make changes. Making changes in the document is known as editing. We need to select the text for editing operations such as copying, moving, finding, replacing, deleting, or formatting. The selected text is displayed in the highlighted bar. The selection area is used for selecting the text. It is the blank area in the left margin of the document. We can select the text in different ways. Fact bit. Clipboard is temporary storage area which allows you to store, cut, copy and paste data. Moving the text. To move the text from original location to new location, cut and paste option is used. Step 1. Choose the text which you want to move. Step 2. Select the Cut button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. The text will disappear from the document and will temporarily be placed on Clipboard. Step 3. Place the cursor at the location where you want to place the selected text. Step 4. Click on the Paste button. The selected text appears at the new location where you wanted to place it. Fact bit. Ribbon display options are present next to the Sign In button. Copying the text. For duplicating the text, we use the Copy and Paste option. We can copy the text from one document to the other as well. The copy-paste feature does not remove the text from its original place as the cut feature does. Step 1. Choose the text which you want to move. Option for the last line. Choose the text which you want to copy. Step 2. Select the Copy button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. Step 3. Place the cursor at the location where you want to place the selected text. Step 4. Click on the Paste button. The selected text appears at the new location where you wanted to place it. Smart bit. The shortcut commands for cut, copy and paste are cut, Ctrl plus X, copy, Ctrl plus C, paste, Ctrl plus V. Checking spelling and grammar. In MS Word, there is inbuilt dictionary and set of grammar rules for checking the spellings and grammar of the text document. Incorrect words are displayed with red line. For example, computer is a machine. Here, spelling of machine is incorrect. Grammatical errors and misused words are displayed with blue wavy lines. For example, I will complete my work. Method for checking the spelling of any word is given below. Step 1. Right-click on the word with red wavy line. A shortcut menu will appear, showing various suggestions. Step 2. From the suggestion list, choose the correct spelling. Smart bit. The shortcut key to check spelling and grammar is F7 key. Lesson sum up. MS Word is a word processor software in which we can create documents. A blank document is opened in MS Word with document 1 as the temporary name. Editing is when we make the changes in the documents. We select the text first for performing actions like copying, formatting, moving, finding, replacing, etc. For duplicating the text, we use the Copy and Paste option. Incorrect words are depicted with red wavy lines below them. Grammatical errors are indicated with blue wavy lines.